Bowersock, the Auto Man here. Today we're talking about how to find a quality auto repair facility. This is a question I get asked all the time by folks no matter where I'm at, often folks that are not even in our area. What we recommend at the West Automotive Group is, number one, do your homework before you need a quality service and repair facility. If you move into a new area, a great way to start to find one is check to see who's AAA approved. Once you find a quality AAA approved repair facility, you'll want to go visit them before you need any service or repair. Most facilities like us at the West Automotive Group, we don't mind if you stop by, come in, have a cup of coffee, meet with my service consultants, check out the facility, make sure it's a place you'd want to have your vehicle serviced or repaired. Make sure that they're, like I said, AAA approved. They offer quality warranties such as we do. They hire certified technicians. They have great warranties that are nationwide that they stand behind always to make sure that you as a client are taken care of and have a peace of mind with every service and repair. All these items are extremely important when looking for a qualified facility. If you need a qualified facility in San Diego, check out the West Automotive Group. I guarantee you won't be disappointed. I'm Brian Bowersock.
For the latest automotive news and helpful tips, join the Automan next Friday following News 8 at 7 a.m. and 7 p.m. on the CW San Diego.